On the 6th of October, a Navy ship belonging to New Zealand caught fire and then it sank off the coast of Samoa Island. Samoa Island is an island which is located in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so a Navy ship belonging to New Zealand has sank off the coast of Samoa Island, which is located in the Pacific Ocean. And they say that oil spillage is imminent, so they have to be very careful. And thanks God, all 75 members of the Navy ship were rescued. Nobody was killed. So the main point here is that a Navy ship has sunk off the in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, now guys, I will let you see what I knew. Something like this will happen. I dreamed that in December 2023, like 10 months ago. And as per my dream, I thought it was an Indian Navy ship, but in fact, it's not. It doesn't belong to India. It belongs to New Zealand, and I knew it will sink in the Pacific Ocean. But in my dream, everybody on board, around 150 people, personnel, were killed. In fact, they were being rescued. There was not 150 personnel. There were only 75 personnel on board, and they were being rescued. So I knew it, guys, that a Navy ship will sink in the Pacific Ocean, except the only thing I get wrong. I thought it belonged to India. In fact, it belonged to New Zealand, and I thought all the personnel on board will die, but in fact, they were rescued. Please watch it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.